What's up, my beautiful people? It's your girl Donna, and I'm here with another video. Check this video, guys. Today I am going to show you how me and Abby make plantain porridge with peanut, oatmeal, cornmeal, and all that good stuff. Let's dive right into it. Okay, so I put 2 cinnamon stick in some water and a teaspoon of vanilla, and I let that boil up. Then I'm going to get all the ingredients ready. I put 1 cup of vanilla Lasco milk. That is the milk that I'm going to use. I'm not going to use any other milk. I'm going to use 1 cup of oatmeal, a cup of cornmeal, a cup of peanut, raw peanut. That's the natural raw peanuts. So I'm getting the blender and I'm going to get all the ingredients in the blender. See the color? The cinnamon, give it that color with 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So I'm adding all the ingredients in the blender. There you go, the peanut, the Lasco, the oatmeal, the cornmeal. A little sugar. Now peeling the plantain. Add some water. And there you go, guys. I'm going to blend it. So now I'm going to put it in the pot and just mix it. So it have to mix until it start boiling. You're gonna mix for a while because if it don't mix out properly, then it's gonna get lumpy. So you have to mix it out until it can't get no lump. Huh? Till it start boil, right? You have to mix it out until it start boil, else it will get lumpy. You hear that, guys?
Am I going to tag it?
Yeah, it's gonna be there. So, if it start boil up and it start get thick and it's too thick, you have to add a little more water in there.
Thank you for your patience. We recognize
If
your
it's
time
getting
is
too
valuable,
thick.
and we're working hard to personally respond to your call as soon as we can.
Chef Max a cook porridge. Why not? What you with your Max, eh? You're afraid that.
I like to some other Max.
More than 10 minutes.
Really?
Yeah, we catch everything.
Stir it till your hand them tired. You have to wait until it start boil up before you stop stir it. Else it will get lumpy. So it'll get thick and rich.
Thick and rich. I'm going to put it on now.
Leave it here now for boil for about 1 hour because you have cornmeal in there, oatmeal. The oatmeal don't really take long to cook, but the cornmeal, you want to make sure you cook the cornmeal because you don't want it to hurt your belly. So you have the peanuts. You know, peanut can't eat raw, so peanut don't really need that amount of time when you cook it. Oh, when you cook it, you want to cook and soak out. So, the peanut, the oatmeal, the plantain too, you want to make sure so the plantain cook.
And to everything mix up.
And to everything mix, you want to make sure it cook. So, you give it enough time for cook. So, it's going to take about an hour on low fire. See it a bubble? About an hour and it ready. Everything already in there. Sugar, milk, everything. So every 10 minutes you check on it to make sure that it's not burning. But there you go. 20 more minutes to go. Porridge ready.
Thank you for your patience. We recognize you. Thank you for your patience. We recognize your time is valuable, and we're working hard to personally respond to your call as soon as we can.
All Jamaican eat them, drink them porridge with bread. The good old bread.
Thank you for your patience. We recognize your time is valuable, and we're working hard to personally respond to your call as soon as we can.
Broke up bread in your porridge. I eat it with tough crackers.
Thank you for your patience. We recognize your time is valuable, and we're working hard to personally respond to your call as soon as we can. Your estimate waiting time is more than 10 minutes. Thank you for your... Thank you for your patience. We recognize your time is valuable, and we're working hard to personally respond to your call as soon as we can.
It's Willem Jones in on the beat.
Money láti lówó, money láti là. Money believe pé máa jáwé ọ̀la. Money láti lówó, money láti là.